In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products in Zoho Desk. If you're looking to streamline your customer service and product management process, Zoho Desk offers a robust platform that not only serves customer queries, but also manages the different products and services your company offers. Let's get started on how you can add new products to your system. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your Zoho Desk workspace. This is your headquarters, where all the magic happens. Make sure you're logged into your Zoho Desk account and have access to the necessary permissions to alter or manage product details. Once you're there, your next step is to look for the Setup or Settings icon. This is usually found in the upper right corner of your interface and is represented by a gear-shaped icon. Clicking on this will open up a menu of different options that you can configure for your organization. After accessing the Setup menu, direct your attention to the Organization option. Selecting this will provide you with another array of options specifically tailored to your organization's needs. This is where you really begin to narrow down the focus of your task to the specific details of your company's operations. Next, click on Products. This section is dedicated entirely to managing the various products your business offers. Once you're inside the Products section, you're going to see a few things. You might find a list of products if there are any added already, or it may be empty, depending on where you stand with your current setup. To add a new item, go ahead and click the New Product button. A form will pop up, and this form is critical. Here is where you'll input all the necessary details about the product you want to add. Start by entering the product name. Make sure it's clear and easily understandable so that anyone in your team knows exactly what this product entails. Following that, you'll also need to put in other essential data, such as the price of the product SKU, or any additional notes that could be relevant. Once you've filled in all the necessary fields and double-checked to ensure everything is accurate, it's time to submit your entry. Simply click on the Submit button, usually located at the bottom of the form. When you do this, the system will update, and your new product entry will officially become part of your Zoho Desk setup. And that's it! You've successfully integrated a new product into your Zoho Desk account. Remember, keeping your product information up to date is crucial for fluent and efficient customer service. It ensures that everyone in your organization has access to the latest and most accurate data, aiding in better decision-making and improving overall customer satisfaction. Thank you for watching today's video, and happy managing.